Hey there, health enthusiasts. Join us as we explore the top 10 incredible benefits that go beyond your plate. From supercharging your heart health to saving the planet. Stay tuned to learn why going plant-based might be your key to a healthier, happier future. Number 10. Improved heart health. By emphasizing plant foods while minimizing saturated fats and cholesterol commonly found in animal products, individuals can lower their risk factors for heart disease. Plant-based diets are particularly effective at reducing levels of LDL low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol the bad, cholesterol, which can lead to the buildup of plaque in arteries. The abundance of fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals in plant-based foods also contributes to cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation, improving blood vessel function, and lowering blood pressure. Number 9. Lower risk of chronic diseases. A plant-based diet's ability to lower the risk of chronic diseases is a compelling reason for its popularity. Scientific research consistently shows that adopting a plant-based eating pattern can substantially reduce the incidence of diseases like type 2 diabetes, hypertension, and various types of cancer. This is attributed to the nutrient-rich and low-calorie nature of plant-based foods, which can aid in weight management and control. Number 8. Weight management. Weight management is a significant benefit associated with a plant-based diet. This dietary approach is naturally lower in calorie density, meaning you can eat satisfying portions while consuming fewer calories, which can be particularly advantageous for those aiming to lose or maintain weight. The high fiber content of plant-based foods also plays a crucial role in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing the likelihood of overeating. Moreover, plant-based diets are often lower in unhealthy fats and processed foods, making it easier to control calorie intake and make healthier food choices. Number 7. Enhanced digestive health. Enhanced digestive health is a notable advantage of adopting a plant-based diet. The ample fiber content found in plant foods is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Dietary fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports overall gastrointestinal function. Number 6. Lower blood pressure. Lowering blood pressure is another noteworthy benefit of a plant-based diet. These dietary choices tend to be naturally rich in potassium, while being lower in sodium compared to diets that include a significant amount of animal products. Potassium is a key mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium. When you consume more potassium and less sodium, your blood vessels can relax and blood pressure tends to decrease. This can significantly reduce the risk of hypertension, high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Number 5. Better blood sugar control. Better blood sugar control is a critical advantage of adopting a plant-based diet, particularly for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Plant-based diets are typically rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and low in refined sugars. These factors can help stabilize blood sugar levels by preventing rapid spikes and crashes in glucose. Number 4. Reduced inflammation. Reduced inflammation is a significant benefit associated with a plant-based diet. Chronic inflammation is believed to play a role in the development of various diseases, including autoimmune conditions, heart disease, and certain cancers. Plant-based diets are naturally anti-inflammatory due to their abundance of antioxidants, phytochemicals, and omega-3 fatty acids from sources like flax seeds and walnuts. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation at the cellular level. By consistently consuming anti-inflammatory foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts, individuals can help mitigate the chronic inflammation that can contribute to the onset and progression of various health issues. This makes a plant-based diet a proactive choice for promoting overall well-being and reducing the risk of inflammation-related diseases. Number 3. Improved skin health. Improved skin health is a lesser-known but valuable benefit of a plant-based diet. The vitamins, antioxidants, and phytochemicals abundant in plant-based foods can contribute to healthier and more radiant skin. Antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E help protect the skin from oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging and skin damage. The anti-inflammatory properties of many plant-based foods can also alleviate skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Moreover, the hydration and moisture provided by the water-rich fruits and vegetables in a plant-based diet can help maintain skin's elasticity and suppleness. Number 2. Ethical and environmental benefits. The ethical and environmental benefits of a plant-based diet are increasingly recognized as crucial aspects of food choices. From an ethical perspective, choosing a plant-based diet aligns with principles of compassion and reducing harm to animals. It avoids the inherent suffering and environmental impact associated with industrial animal agriculture. By eschewing animal products, individuals can promote more humane treatment of animals, which is a fundamental consideration for many people. Number 1. Longevity. The potential for increased longevity is a compelling aspect of adopting a plant-based diet. Numerous studies and research on populations with predominantly plant-based eating patterns suggest a link between these diets and an extended lifespan. By reducing the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer, a plant-based diet can significantly enhance overall health and quality of life. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of plant-based foods may slow the aging process at the cellular level. Moreover, a plant-based diet's focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods can help individuals maintain a healthy weight and promote vitality as they age. While many factors contribute to longevity, adopting a plant-based diet can be a key element in promoting a longer and healthier life. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on health, sustainability, and making a difference in the world. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to a healthier, happier, and more compassionate future for all.